Thus behind you, behind this one Swarupa, there is a Swarupa. There is a divine form, a cosmic form, a Virat Swarup. And because of that light today, Divyam Dadami Te Chakshu, Pashyame Yogamaishwaram, because of that light is given to me today, I could see you, and now I realized, and my doubts are clear, confusion is no more, and I got the clarity because of you, and I do now. I will follow your advice, not my advice. Not my will, now your will, your plan, not my plan. Most of the time it happens in our life. As Sadhviji was explaining beautifully about the vending machine. We want some time. Through our prayers, many things we don't receive, and we lose our faith in the divine. Vending machine maybe can give you, but not the divine system. Divine system knows what is good for you, what is best for you. And that's what is needed. Have a faith in the divine system. One story I want to share from my life. When I was very little, how that divine connection, when I became clouded, being in the jungle. Because whenever you are clouded, when we are confused because of fear. When you have a faith, you will never be clouded. Your vision will be very clear. Your vision will be 20/20. Whenever we feel clouded, we feel confused, that's the time. Go to the doctor, check your vision. Check your vision, and they will tell you where you are. Same with the Divine Masters. And it happens in everybody's life. When I started this divine life, it happened to me too. When I was given the mantra, had meditation for 1 year. After 1 year, full of meditation, full of that charging, still, why I am sharing this story to you? Because most of the time people, when they are connected to the divine, they do so much puja, come to temple, do so much sadhana, meditation, and end of the day, still they don't feel connected, or fear still is there, or things the way they want is not happening, and they get confused. I want to assure you, from my example, and how that example can give you a new clue to your life, new way to your life. And this happened to me, and till today, it's working. And I'm giving you that story, working for me, and it will work for you. And it came because of the Divine Master. After 1 year of meditation, of sadhana, and this was very rigorous penance, I came to the Divine Master. Silence was open because it was full of, it was completely silence. And in complete silence, I could not talk to anybody and could not see anybody, could not go anywhere. Just your mantra, your meditation, and one small room where you are. After 1 year, when meditation was over, Swamiji came back. He gave me the order to open the silence, open the silence. First thing I told him, I want to be with you. He said, no. If you want to be with me, you have to be in the forest, in the jungle. The first thing he told me, jungle, even so much sadhana was done in the young age. Mantra was with me. Meditation was there. The power of meditation of 1 year was there. Still, somewhere back of my mind, first thing came up when he said the jungle and the forest, that you have to be there in the forest at the age of 9. I said, Swamiji, I cannot be there. He said, why? Why you don't want to be there? If you don't want to be there, I will not make you Swamiji. I will not make you son. I said, no, please make me Swami, but I cannot be in the jungle. He said, why? But why you don't want to be in the jungle? I said, I am afraid of ghost. He said, ghost? Why you are afraid of ghost? I have given you the mantra. Why you are afraid of ghost? And he said, okay, I will give you the mantra. With the power of that mantra, no matter what, wherever you will be safe. He gave me the mantra, initiated me, and sent me to the forest alone with the Divine Insurance Company. I am there, first day, small hut, no one around, all over, nothing but darkness because you are in the jungle. First day was great. I was with no problem, and the sun sets, now the dark is there, and I wanted to go out for nature calls, for bathrooms. I could not go out because of the fear. I said, if I go out, there will be ghost. And if ghost is there, ghost is going to finish me. And I kept crying whole night and did not go out. Next day I decided no more water in the evening. I will not go out. But nature is nature. I had to go out. But I was so scared. Half the way I ran back to my hut and kept crying. Third day, from that beautiful divine picture, voice comes to me. What I have with me in my puja, the voice comes to me. Guru has given you the mantra, and I am there with you. Why you are afraid? Since that day, that voice became the life of my life. Before that, even the mantra was there. But with that mantra, the fear also was there. With that voice, the faith again came back, and because of that faith and the power of the mantra, till today, not only the ghost, nothing could harm and touch. I want to share with you in your life also sometime. Whenever you feel the ghost of our so many desires, expectations, or these small weaknesses haunts you, try to have a personal relationship with the Divine. Try to listen to that voice. And when the Lord Shiva's Shivling or any picture or any form of the Divine, whatever you believe in, get connected as a personal relationship. Talk to that Divine form. Be one with that. You will see this will not stay a picture. This will become a Prabhu. This will not stay a Pratima. This will become Prabhu. This will not haunt you at a bhoot. It will become Bhagavan. But that is needed. Only one thing: revive your faith, have the faith, and see this divine connection not as the murti. Whenever you are around, sitting in front of the deity, you are not worshipping the deity. You are worshipping through the deity, the divine. And when you are worshipping that divine, and when you are worshipping the divine, you have a faith in the deity. If you have no faith, then there is no prayer, there is no use of the prayers. You have a faith in the deity, but the deity stays only deity, then becomes a problem. When this becomes, for me also for 3 days, that divine deity, that picture, stayed like a picture. The moment the voice came from within, got connected, immediately things changed in my life. Same thing. Not like a tube light, bulbs that someone can switch them off and on. In our spiritual progress, in your success of your life, maybe you measure yourself in a different way. But in a spiritual success, if you want to see in your life, measure always how you are going up and down, how you become happy, how you become sad. All these kind of things should become your measurement. Santushta sattam yogi yatatma dridha nishchaya. Self-control, person can always be happy. A person who has a control of himself or herself in the hands of others, or in the hands of maybe things, you will never be happy. So santushta sattam yogi yatatma dridha nishchaya. A person who has a firm will, always, never shaky because of the shaken world. Always there, always connected with the divine. That's why it said, Kab tak karma kamavane dosh na kahu jo Parmeshwar. Isliye, because if your connection is broken, you are not connected, you will feel the pains in your life. Santushta satatam yogi yatatma dridha nishchaya mayarpit mano buddha. The devotion, single-minded devotion to me, when that is there, that bhakta is dear to me, that devotee is dear to me. And when these qualities are there, your life has a clarity. Your life has no confusion then. And in that situation, you always stay santushta, sattam, always connected, always clear, and that clarity, that connection always keeps you in peace, not in pieces. Always happy, always connected. Today, the Guru, I pay my obeisance to him. Because of him, because of that connection, I feel that ever happiness in my life. Things are there, not there, wherever you are, you feel super. I want you also, wherever you are, stay connected and feel super. Feel there. God bless you. Last but not the least, when I came here at the Kumbh Abhishekam ceremony, the devotion of you all and the priests made me very impressed. I moved so many places, go to so many cities and countries, but Louisville community really has kept this place a place of not only worship, but a place of education and place of transformation. And keep it up. God bless you, the whole board. I don't want to take anybody's name. The name should be taken only of the divine. And my prayers and God's blessings may be with you. Thank you.